Hey YouTube family, how you doing? This your boy Ray Mack. Today we're gonna do some breakfast tacos. We're gonna do some breakfast tacos and a burrito. All right, so we're just gonna throw in some scrambled eggs. Along with that, we're gonna toss in some sausage along with some vegetables and a host of others that will give us this awesome burrito and taco combination. So let's jump into the video right now. I want to say thank you so much for watching this here video. If you like the video, please do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button. Along with that, comment below. Let me know what type of videos you would like to see in the future. And I also have merch t-shirts that I would love for you guys to purchase. So if you would like to check out some of the merches that I do have up under the videos, please go and check out what we do have. And I hope you would buy you a piece. You might like what you wear. All right, and then on top of that, do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up and like and share. Share on Instagram, share on your social media. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.